Yeah, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial today, I'm going to be sharing with you three 10x crypto projects that has the potential to skyrocket your portfolio in the next 2 to 3 months to come. This video is brought to you by Okafo Mary Cynthia. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, you are highly welcomed. And in this YouTube channel, I talk about cryptocurrency, how to make passive income, how to make money online, and also even the stock market. So if this is what you are interested in and you want to see more videos about it, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel. So let's jump into what we have today. The first coin on our list today is Phantom. Phantom is a smart contract project that provides DeFi services to developers using its own bespoke consensus algorithm, right? Yeah, so you can see this FTM is an ecosystem project that houses a lot of projects. If you go to CoinMarketCap, if you go to your browser and you type top Phantom ecosystem projects, let's see, top Phantom ecosystem coins, you will see the listing by CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, depending on the one you are more familiar with. For me, I use CoinMarketCap the most. So you can see top Phantom ecosystem tokens by 24 hours price change, and you can see we have a whole lot of them. You see 16% increase, 11% increase, 8% increase. There are a whole lot of them. So you can see this is an ecosystem project that is even yet to explode in price. For the current price where Phantom is today, which is below $3, I think as at last week it was above $3, but then the market is frustrating, like we all know. Yeah, the cryptocurrency market is not really so strong right now. You can even see that the market cap has gone so low, which was over 2 point something trillion dollars before. So that is it. You can make more research. Let's take for instance that you're even looking for other local projects you can invest in. You can come under top Phantom projects and make your research and get 1 or 2 projects that you can invest your money in, and be sure that you are expecting something huge in the next few months to come. So Phantom is a very good project for you to invest in. You can even check out their Twitter handle. This is their Twitter handle. They have over 335k followers on Twitter, and you can see they have a very active community on Twitter, and they have a lot of projects still coming up. They are also making a lot of development on their ecosystem to make sure that the DeFi services that they are providing to developers are really top notch. So you can make more research about this project and invest your money in it. Remember, it's not a financial advice. Cynthia doesn't give financial advice, just brings projects to your face so that you can know about it, make more research about it, and see if it's worth investing your money in, right? Yeah, so the next project we have on our list is COTI. COTI is a fintech platform that empowers organizations to build their own payment solutions, just like Ripple, right? SRP. Yeah, so you can read through what COTI is all about, and you can see that for the projects that they are building, this price is so undervalued. This particular project is trading on both Binance, Coinbase, just listed. It's trading on all the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and you can also take a look at their Twitter handle. You can see that they are very much active here. If you browse about it here, you see that a lot of people are talking about this particular project right now. You see it already has 310 tweets today. A lot of people are talking about this project. This project is something that if you have money, you can make more research about it and see if it's worth investing. I'm not telling you to invest in it, but indirectly I'm telling you to invest in it, but still you have to make your research. You have to make your research before investing in it. So that is it. And also the next coin we have on our list today is Gala. I don't know, I've talked about this particular token in my last video. No, not my last video. I think I once mentioned some gaming projects you can invest in, right? I talked about Gala token there, and here it is again. I'm talking about it because I totally believe in this project, and the price where this coin is today, I'm telling you, when it starts mooning, we should be seeing over $5 by that time. So I don't know why you are not yet investing in this particular project. You can see this is a gaming project, Gala Games, and also the name of their game is Town Star, right? Play to earn. Town Star is a play to earn crypto game that is built by the Gala Games ecosystem, right? You can play and make money from it. I've been talking about play to earn games on my YouTube channel. I have up to 2 videos about play to earn crypto games, and I think I'm going to target to this video towards the end of the video, right? Yeah, so make more research about these 3 projects that I have mentioned and see if it's something you would want to invest your money in. And lastly, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do also subscribe. And if you got value from this video, hit the like button. And also, if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, do well to drop a comment via the comment section, and I will respond to you. Don't forget, you can throw in $20, $50 in Gala token, and you can see massive profits in it in the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months to come. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do well to share this video on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your Twitter. Thank you.